Hello. These are two builds I already built. I tried to record videos on this one and it wasn't great, so I'm just going to do a side-by-side view. If you want, I'll have other videos later. This one I built some time back before I even knew I was going to build like YouTube. But it's going to be a staple for the channel. It's going to stay around. This is the Lego Dark Horse from Lego set 7976920 Lego Speed Champions Dark Horse. Here's the manual. Here's the Mattel Brick Shop Hot Wheels Edition Maserati. This GFR90 Maserati MC20. We got a character for the young. Got a little person for the Dark Horse, one with hair and a wrench. We got a Hot Wheels car, 2005. Mattel. Stay. You're just gonna stay over there. Stay. And the car also has one, which is cool. Here's the side of the car, the door. Both sides. One side, that's one plus about the this Mattel. The door super. On the Dark Horse, the doors